Yo, what up, guys? In today's video, please Animal Rivals on my main account. This is my loadout. Guys, comment what VR games I should play. Make sure to like, subscribe. Come, let's go, guys.
You can help me. You can help me.
This is holy glazing. This is holy glazing.
Hey, dang it! Who wants to be in a clan?
I'm still my band. Yes, I am.
Whoever wants to be in a clan, join the code 15555 55555 55555
I don't want to be in your duty out clan. Your clan's probably bummers. That's the 8 primal. But there's so many Apexes in Animal Rivals.
Oh, yo, Messi.
I play like a wait, what?
Whoa. I was just with this kid. I was just with this.
I was catching another blood fuck's sake. I'm getting bored of it. Just leveled up and what's all that? What's all that? And then
What the heck is happening? Yo, 8 Primal Emperor, bro, chill out. What you moving?
I don't know what I'm doing. I just like doing this. Okay, wait, let's do 2 collides. Like, instead of going boom, 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 I'm gonna go boom, 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 boom. I need a chop, I need an upgrade. Oh yeah, this is better. Guys, my bad about the
I like the skin. Skin's cool.
the glaze, but stay.
Yo, teammate, I'm sorry, bro. I'm actually not that good at the game. I'm trying to get back into the game, so I'm sorry, bro. We're cooked. Teammate, you shouldn't be doing that, bro.
You shouldn't, yeah, you shouldn't. You're against the 8 primal, me.
Match
Bro,
started.
if you hear the echo, don't mind the echo because I'm in my front room right now, aka my other room instead of
Round
my
starting.
I know I'm playing my living room. Bro, that's tough. Oh my days, what the? Maybe this isn't my load.
Slow. Teammate. Yes!
Yeah, maybe this isn't my loadout. Do you want to know my loadout? Okay. So normally, I use you.
Round starting.
Oh no. What is he using?
Yeah? Not the, Apex.
Oh, let you go. Can I let you go?
Teammate, can you lock in, please? Can you lock in, teammate, please?
No, dude, I get lucky shot. No, you.
Round starting.
Let's fucking. I'm duty. Yes, he's good. Yeah, he is good.
Yo! Teammate, lock in, teammate, please.
I'm in my other room. But let me take my slippers off. Let me take my shoes off, guys.
Teammate, lock in, please.
I mean, my shoes are kind of tight. It doesn't fit.
Round starting.
Well, they're not overworn. It's just that I don't. I'm scared because I'm not free right now. Should I be free? Like, should I go?
I'm playing Animal Rivals. I'm mid-match.
Round starting.
I love you so. Never let me go.
Cannot do that by my own.
Bro, I don't wanna fracture my other thumb.
Okay. I'll just beat me up, Scotty.
One is already fractured.
Round starting.
Back. Was you? I'm in it, bro. I'm on it. I'm on it, teammate.
I'm sorry, dude.
Round starting.
20. Man, come on. Come on. Come on. What was that? What am I doing? What am I doing? I just went up to Brown. Like,
Yeah, my bad, teammate. I had no weapons left. My bad. That was my bad.
this isn't my main loadout. It's a good.
Round starting.
He's gonna up it. Back me. Back me up.
Teammate, he's low. He's low.
I couldn't get in. He's a revolver.
Yo, teammate, GG's, man. You were peak. I gotta go put my number for the boys. I'll see you, man.
Bye bye. Oh, that was W, guys. I'm gonna sit on this chair. Seemingly good chair. Guys, comment if you want to see any other videos. I'm free. Oh shit. I read my comments.
Hurry up!
Yo, holy glaze. Why are we glazing right now? Oh. The only reason I died is because we lost this because I locked in mid-match. I didn't get time to actually like win.
Nah, there's people joining anyway. Not really. I really like. Come on.
Hey, I'm oh,
Someone
hey,
get on
Pat.
my team. I don't care.
Oh, butthole. They might be butthole.
Oh, what he left.
Yo, who has trampoline equipped? Who has trampoline?
Okay, bet. So I think this might be one of my last matches because it's already been 7 minutes of me recording.
Big wide map, far right. Yeah. Do you big map, far right? Yo, who has trampoline?
No.
Can I just walk home? We can double jump with it. Yes, I
No. Yeah. Let's go, guys. I'm so happy.
Match starting.
Yo, Brody. Oh, yo, Brody. What the hell?
Round starting.
I have duty aim. Why did I do that? They're gonna be done. Oh, they're rushing. No, the side club thing. 38. I call that aimbot. 13, 19. How the fuck did I miss? Man said 28 on America. Why did bro come out and chirping me? Bro, I'm using long distance weapons and then you're calling me bad because you're using close distance coming up to me like this. No skill, buddy. I'm using real aim and movement. You're just going, I got shotgun, boom. I got serpent. You're not a G for that, bro. Like, just walk in. Every Apex, I think, should use AK or AR and Deagle. But I replaced Deagle with the AK because AK, I just like
Round
spamming.
starting.
Perfect. No. 19? I hit you for 19. Hmm. 20. I'm gonna predict when this guy comes out. 38. Did a hell of damage. I'm free. I am not free. But they're all low. They're all low, I think. No, this is not fair. Basically, we've got only 2 Apexes, but we've got 2 people that are bad at the game. So me and the Apex have to carry, even though I'm not even carrying. I don't know why.
Round starting.
Fuck you. Why am my arms up? Oh no.
I hit 116.
Oh no, I'm low. Why did bro come at me from behind? So use Deagle. And yeah. I love you so. Can I get what you want? Oh, why won't you? For me, I love you so. 10 minutes. Guys, tell me if you want to see any collabs or if you want to collab with me, boys. Or girls. I'm not trying to be sexist. Any boy, any girl, anyone can play with me. But not if you're alien. You have to be human. You have to be human with a specific gender, yeah. Not alien, not an alien girl or alien boy or a gay alien. Yeah, boys. You'll be one. Dope you guys. Not me, there's someone go pop. Okay, yeah. They got probably more Apex. No, they've got one Apex than the rest of Primal Emperor. And that's a good idea. No, they dropped our spot. Our highlight. Why are you hitting me 6-7? I'm dog water, boys. We're gonna try. Whoa. Okay, I totally didn't cheat to get that.
We had the best teammates.
You didn't. Actually, we didn't. Whoa, they're winning. I bet they're not leave. Oh,
Round starting.
okay. I'm not low. Just 2v1. Nice. I can get rid of this. Get rid of the other guy. Yes.
Yo, I hit him for 120, teammate. I hit him for
That makes me low. I understand that. How the hell do you get done in the 2v1? Are you that bad at the game? See that, boys? 2v1. But there's no walls to assist me, but you forgot that I knocked. Wait, let's all double team. Let's triple team on one. Y'all get that guy? I'll get that guy.
Yo, double team.
I don't.
No, double team.
See? Holy, you're getting done differently. Seems getting obliterated. Bro, I was one tap and I hit 20. Where is this boy? I marked him exactly.
Shut up, just give me a bomb.
With the Apex. Wow. You guys are dog water.
Teammates,
Voila. Far up. I was meant to say sharp, I said far up.
Dip that blue dog did a quick.
You're a dipshit, I'm going on this guy's team.
You stepped in the blue
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, bro. That's so unfair.
Did you get
Go
on?
for
We're
goal.
against an Apex Primal.
Nah, it's good. I totally
You
won't
want to
lock
leave?
it. I won't
Or
lock
maybe you
it.
leave. Or maybe I could leave.
Yo.
No.
Hope you don't have any friends online. That sounds a bit weird.
Match starting.
I'm just gonna. I told. He just got left.
Round
Just
starting.
left him so hard. Wow, 2v1. How much damage did I do? I only did 80. That's not competition, there's only one guy. I think he wouldn't be playing if I was.
just won automatically.
What a guy
We
he
just
left.
won, bro.
We just won. No, we just won automatic. Okay, guys. GG's. Wow, I'm not loading, so yeah, guys. Have a great day. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Tell me if you want to do any collabs in different games. I basically have every good game. We can fight in this game, and we can play this together. I would need a mod to play Bone Lab with you. You can play Animal Rivals, play No Clip Leah. Must have supporter bundle though. But if you don't, it's still good. You can play with me. I have Amex Art Sale, tennis, football, VR, RFS. And yeah, I got Scary Baboon. Okay, yeah, guys. Have a great day. Bye.